shit. Holy shit.
To hear from those Republican elected members themselves. And so today,
wow, very good.
The committee subpoenaed Republican members of Congress as part of its investigation into the attack.
Right in front of the police station.
Recipients had either had conversations with President Trump that day. We should add all of these that we're talking about here remain pending court cases. They have not yet been resolved. We can kind of speculate. I think
what?
From the tenor here, Sussman is going to
what are you doing?
A subset of those. Yeah.
Man, what a great place to stop. Go over there. There's so much space. All up down that road. Wow. Wow. What? Amazing. Nice parking spot, asshole. Sorry, I can't help myself. Those people need to be told off. Ran a light, turned straight into traffic, immediately blocks the bike lane. No turn signal. Yep. We'll turn left. Okay.
Prostate, you said?
That is what I said.
Wow. Cheap traffic.
The only people bringing their kids to the con, and American Atheist was thoughtful enough to have some people there to look after them while the talks and workshops and shit were going on. They actually had the road pretty much right behind us, so I can attest to the fact that the kids were having a blast.
No one in there.
Their parents listened to like panel discussions.
Park in the street, leave your door open, no one in the car. Very smart.
Was the sticking point for you? You are in the clear.
Fuck
The
yourself.
Protection Act goes well beyond the precedent established in Roe and Casey. It does not include the Hyde Amendment, which prohibits taxpayer dollars from being spent on abortions and has been the law almost as long as Roe. It does not include conscience protections for healthcare providers that refuse to perform abortions based on religious beliefs. It explicitly overrides the Religious Freedom Restoration Act for the first time. It also allows late-term abortions without notable restrictions.
She said, Scott violated my trust. But when it was being violated, I didn't even know it. It made me believe what we were doing was...
Why are we doing a pickup right here? Why? Why would you do that?
I honestly believe you loved me.
Oh my god, seriously. You couldn't have pulled over there. There's a whole parking lot over there. Let's go. Let's just stop in the middle of the street.
He is barely my assholes.
Really? This is nice. Moving. Keep moving. Keep moving. Keep going. Nice turn signal. Holy shit. Move over. All those parking spaces. I don't understand. You. Turn on your lights. No one in there. Because when you gotta pick up food or whatever dumb shit you need to get, you get to park wherever you want. Good job pulling in.
She and I just stayed an extra day. She's never been here.
Nice.
So, yeah, we really literally have no plans.
Look at this shit. How is anybody supposed to get through?
We like to drink, we like art, we like walking around, pretty flexible.
Well, that's
Don't wanna sit and pay attention
you're in the
to
right
anything
you're in the
now.
right place. Seattle has all of those. Good job. Oh, he's waiting on that
Oh
spot.
man, you've got content.
While he was waiting on that spot, was there's another one right there.
That's right, England. You might not have fresh fruit and your water system's full of sewage, but we're giving you buckets of bigots. You're welcome.
There you go. You did ask for it. Alright, well, Catholic Christians accuse some other group of behaving inappropriately around kids, so I think we need to close off the headlines before Irene dies altogether. He thanks as always.
That was
And when we come
unexpected.
back, we'll check out a version of That's Fantastic. Lou, doing working in your grocery store stuff.
Hi, I'm so sorry. Did you guys move the eggs? The shelf. I do know.
Yeah, it's that.
How are you doing?
Doing well.
Awesome. Alright, you're my second airport trip of the day.
Oh, is that right?
Yep.
All right, man.
2 days ago I got 4.
Aha.
Yeah.
Is that a good thing?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's a long ways away. It's easy money.
Yeah, right? I know.
This is not a parking spot. People do it anyway.
One week, like this week when my CVS about to get my bill for 2 years just closed down overnight and the closest one is like 36 minutes away. And
That's not a parking spot.
building's just empty. In there, HelloFresh delivers free groceries.
I love to tell people off. I get some very interesting answers sometimes.
I would imagine.
People are very
Probably not
not
all of
used.
them are. Thank you for being so helpful.
Oh
right?
no. Definitely not. Some of them rhyme with "fuck you."
Yeah.
This would be an entertaining spot to sit at and watch traffic.
Restrictions that might be viewed as burdensome by the ordinary citizen. So,
Oh
okay,
my.
that sounds bad, but maybe the
Oh
commentary
my.
will exclude. No, but it's totally fine.
That was really stupid.
With rage.
Yes.
It's the fucking greatest. At one point, the person who shot
Uh-oh.
the video on their camera phone
Watch out.
points
No,
it
don't
right
get,
in
don't
this
attack
guy's
those
face,
geese.
and
They
this
will
guy
get you.
comes so
They will
close
get
to
you.
a throat punch and a
They are
standing
mean.
ovation from a bunch of the crowd. So close. One of my
Really funny way. Except so much cleaner. So much cleaner, and there's a lot of
It's a lot cleaner here.
so much. I mean, we can't express to you how much.
Oh man.
And way less crowd.
that has changed a lot in like just the last few months. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah, we got a new mayor, and we elected a. Hold it longer. I'll have a look and see what happened there later. But yeah. Oh, genius. Genius. Fuck your face. Now I gotta change lanes, which is dangerous. I gotta squeeze through. Nice parking spot. Good job. Can't pull all the way in. Yep, that's what a lot of my channel is. Me being salty.
Content.
Yep.
Content. Glad we can help you out. Now who's on?
What are you doing? Where's the bike lane? Come on. What are you doing? What are you doing? What is this asshole doing? That's a bike lane, dude. Parking is over there.
Yeah.
You know? You don't care. You cut off that cyclist.
We used to start around 8 or very past 8, but we couldn't.
Oh, this is nice. Okay, can fit in here, yeah. Alright, here we go.
Oh, thank you very much.
You are very
Cody.
welcome. Trunk's open for you.
Okay, come on, Chase, it's unbuckled.
Are you gonna go somewhere? What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? tweets on Reddit today would argue that, oh, it's the homeowner put up these parking signs. Those aren't legitimate. Blah, blah, blah. It's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Fake signs do exist, but those are definitely not fake. I know you're just gonna go into this general area, but right here is perfect. All right, well, you all have a good one.
Yeah, stay safe out there.
I try my best.
I'd say eyes on the road, but I don't know anyone who has their eyes on the road more than you.
Nah, you don't know me. Lightning above and a fire below me. You cannot catch me, cannot hold me. You cannot stop, much less control me. When it rains, it pours. When the floodgates open, brace your shores. That pressure don't care when it breaks your doors. Say it's all you can take, better take some more. Cause I know what it's like to test fate. Had my shoulders pressed with that weight. Stood up strong in spite of that hate. Night gets darkest right before dawn. What don't kill you makes you more strong. And I've been waiting for it so long. Lights go on, waiting for a light that never comes. I chase the sun, waiting for a light that never comes. Waiting for a light that never comes.
Wrong way.